and started sticking about 6, 7 o'clock. Then yeah, it was blizzard after that. That's you know, you couldn't see anywhere. Had to go pick up Audrey about 9:30. Yeah, it was pretty good driving after that. It's all the dorms right here. Most of the dorm rats are still blocked in. You know, a lot of the snow is still covering their cars and stuff. Some took the time to dig out. Some just said forget it and not going to. Yeah, pretty much this is Ellsworth Boulevard, Main Street. There's our chapel. You can barely see it. This is what we call the bird's nest. Still completely, I don't think they're gonna take anything out of there anytime soon. Bird's Nest is pretty much, has I guess MPE, our education center, a small bit of the finance, our legal aids are in there. This goes out to the main gate. Right here we're the beginning of the efficiency for energy. Yeah, you can tell we switched to LED lights in some parts of the base. Our little barricades there if anybody tries to escape or come in. Yeah, that's pretty much it right there. My wife is up for it. I'll take you cruise around the base real quick later when I get back. But as for that, it's pretty much the base right here. This is our main gate. Gonna turn the lights off.